2013, a software engineer bought Bitcoin at around $100. At that time, Bitcoin was not popular. There were no big institutions, no ETFs, no mainstream headlines. Most people thought it was internet money that would disappear. He did not buy a large amount, just a few $1,000s worth. For him, it was an experiment. Months passed. The price moved up, then down, then up again. By 2017, Bitcoin reached nearly $20,000. His small investment had grown more than 100 times. For the first time in his life, he was holding life-changing money. He started thinking differently. What if it crashes? What if I lose this profit? What if this is the top? The fear was stronger than the greed. So he sold. Not at the exact top, but close enough. He felt smart, disciplined, responsible. He locked in profit. And he left. Part 2. The risk. After selling, he watched from the outside. Bitcoin crashed in 2018. The price fell more than 80%. At first, he felt relief. I made the right decision, he thought. But something changed during the next cycle. In 2020 and 2021, Bitcoin began rising again. Slowly. Quietly. Then aggressively. This time it crossed $20,000, then $30,000, then $50,000, then nearly $69,000. He had already sold everything years earlier. His biggest risk was not selling. It was leaving the system completely. He never re-entered. He waited for a crash that never returned to his original level. The mistake was not timing. The mistake was thinking one cycle was the whole story. Part 3. The consequence today, he is still financially stable. He made money, but he is not wealthy from Bitcoin. Not because he was wrong, but because he exited too early and never came back. Many early investors made the same decision. They treated Bitcoin like a trade. But Bitcoin moved in cycles that lasted years. The people who became extremely wealthy were not always the smartest. They were often the ones who stayed longer than they felt comfortable. This story is not about regret. It is about how difficult long-term conviction really is. In crypto, the hardest decision is not when to buy. It is when to stay. If you want real crypto stories, not hype, not predictions, not signals, but clear case studies about wealth, mistakes, and collapses, subscribe to Cryptocosm. Every week, we break down real crypto stories that shape the market and the people inside it. This is Cryptocosm.